everybody to be part of the show just like always. So come on, everybody. I said good evening and welcome to the circus. Fantastic. You are a great crowd. We've got a great show in store for you. But you know, one of the people that really helped us out to get you folks here is a very good friend of a lot of people here. He comes from WIBW. He's on the news team. And you know who he is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome Ralph Gibb.
Thank you, Peter. How is everybody tonight? Are you excited to be here? And the circus is in town. They're here. All right. Hey, if you love it a lot tonight, come back and see it again. There are two shows for the public tomorrow at 1:30 and 7:30. We also have two more shows on Sunday at 12:30 and 5:30, so come back again if you'd like to. Have a wonderful time tonight. I've got to tell you, there is a big news story tonight here, too, that we're going to be watching. For the very first time, the Pages Trapeze Act. It's the first time it's ever been performed right here. You'll see it for the very first time tonight on this show. How about that? Isn't that exciting? So be watching. Well, on behalf of Channel 13 and Melissa Berner, Jeremy and JB, our whole 13 News crew, I sure want to welcome you to the circus. We're so thrilled to have them here in Topeka, the wonderful Landon Arena. So have a great time, everybody, and come back again over the weekend if you can. And now I'll turn it back over to our official ringmaster, the amazing Peter Sturgis. Here he is again. Peter, have a great night.
Thank you, Ralph. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it